we're going to commence our salsa by dancing a basic step which is called a mambo basic. Now in salsa, the gentleman will be dancing forward, the lady back. Gentleman on his left foot will dance forward, replacing the weight back to his right foot and closing his left to his right. Lady will dance back on the right, replace the weight to the left foot and close the right to the left, to the timing of quick, quick, slow. So we'll take it nice and steady for you. So gentleman on the left, lady on the right, and step, replace, close. Now the gentleman now dances the backward action while the lady dances the forward. So the gentleman is back on his right, the lady is forward on her left. And quick, quick, slow. So if we just tie that complete mambo basic together, gentleman left going forward, lady right going back, we have and quick, quick, close, quick, quick, close. So we'll just try and speed that a little bit for you. Ready, and quick, quick, close, and just once more. Quick, quick, close, quick, quick, close. Good. Now we're going to move on to a cucaracha. Now I'm going to ask Scott and Vicky to turn around to face the camera for this step. And a cucaracha is purely a side step in which we both step to either the left or the right. So we'll take this that we dance to the right first. So we'll just both dance out to the right, side and side, replace, close, and side, replace, close, and side, replace, close, and side, replace, close. So if we face our partner, gentleman will dance a cucaracha to the left, whilst the lady dances a cucaracha to the right. And quick, quick, close, quick, quick, close, quick, quick, close, quick, quick, close. Good. So let's put 4 basics and 4 cucarachas together. Gentleman left, lady right, and step, step, close, step, step, close, step, step, close. Now your cucaracha, side and close, side and close, open and close, open and close. Now, what we're going to do now is put that into a together hold. Now, your hold in Latin is slightly higher than your hold in ballroom. So the gentleman's hand will go on the lady's shoulder blade, and the lady's arm will go up onto the gent's shoulder, and we will join the gent's left hand with the lady's right hand. So we'll just put that pattern together again now, your 4 basics and your 4 cucarachas. Gentleman left, lady right, and quick, quick, close, quick, quick, close, quick, quick, close. Now the cucaracha, quick, quick, close, quick, quick, close, quick, quick, close, quick, quick, close. Good. Now we're going to move on and give the ladies an underarm turn. So again, if we could ask Vicky just to demonstrate this. So it will commence, ladies, with your backward half of your basic. So that's your right foot back, 1. Replace weight to your left, 2. As you're going to go into an underarm turn, don't close, just place your right foot slightly to the side of your left. And side. So that will commence your turn. So let's just have a look at how that basic changes again. So we'll just dance that basic once more. Right foot back and quick, quick step to prepare. Now the underarm turn is just like walking around in a very tight circle. Now she's going to dance the 3 steps. It will be left foot forward for 1, right foot forward for 2, and then left foot to the side small for 3. And she's made her complete turn. She will have gone under the partner's arm. So we'll just try that again, just the underarm turn. So think of it as walking in the small circle. So we have our basic first, basic prepare, and walk around. Now, if we ask Scott to come back into Vicky, gentlemen, you just purely dance a forward and a back basic. So if we just like to have a go at this, gentleman left, lady right, we've got basic step and the lady underarm. It is very essential, ladies, that you do not make this turn big. You have to stay within the space of your partner. So don't wander away from him. So just try that once more. Keep it nice and tight to him. Ready? And basic step and lady underarm. Just once more. Ready, and basic step and lady underarm. Now that's looking really good. So let's recap on what we've done so far. We've done the mambo basic, the cucarachas, and the underarm turn. So let's try and get a little pattern going. So we'll say 4 basics, 4 cucarachas, and then we'll dance the basic and underarm turn for the lady twice. So gentleman left, lady right, take it nice and steady, and step, step, close, step, step, close, step, step, close. Now the cucarachas. Side and close, side and close, side and close, side basic step. Prepare ladies under, 1, 2, repeat. Prepare ladies under, 1, 2, 3. Good. Shall we try that just once more? Ready, and quick, quick, slow, and quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. Open and close, open and close, open and close, open and the basic. 1, 2, ladies, underarm you go. 1, 2, ladies, underarm you go. Now, one way, ladies, of not getting dizzy when you turn is to look for your partner. So I just asked Vicky again to dance the underarm turn and show how she looks for her partner as soon as she starts the turn, and that stops you getting dizzy. Just the underarm and basic. Now she'll look for her partner, and there she is, round the whole turn with no problems. Now, our last step is slightly more advanced and is called a crossbody lead. Now, in this one, the gentleman has the predominant work to do. So I'm going to ask Scott to demonstrate the gentleman's steps here. He dances 2 steps of the forward basic, forward left, replace right. Now he's going to step left foot to the side, having made a quarter of a turn. This enables the lady to cross the gentleman. So if we could just have a look at that once more, please. He goes forward left, replace right, left foot to the side. Now, to finish the step, he dances back on the right foot, replaces to the left foot, and closes the right foot to the left foot. So we can repeat the procedure this way. It's left foot forward, replace, quarter turn, back, replace, close. So if we could just do that a couple more times, gentlemen. We have forward, replace, side, back, replace, close. Forward, replace, side, back, replace, close. So it's a whole continuous turn to the left. Now, without his partner, if I could ask him to take his hold, and you will notice that when he takes his step to the side, he will lower his left arm to lead his lady across his body. And quick, quick, he lowers it there, and then he will bring it back to shaping as he closes. This creates the space for the lady to pass through. So once more this way, Scott, please. And quick, quick, he lowers and back, replace to shape. Now, if we take the lady's steps, the lady will dance 2 of her back basic, and then she will step forward on the 3rd step. So she will go back on the right, replace onto the left, and forward on the right. She now dances forward on the left, to the side on the right, and closes left to right. So for this way, we have back on the right, replace onto the left, forward on the right. Forward on the left, side on the right, and close left to right. So if we now put the partners together, we'll show you how it works. So we'll just take the first 3 steps, gentleman left, lady right, and step, step, step. Now you'll see that the lady has gone across in front of the gentleman's body. Now, continuing to turn, the gent will go back, the lady forward, and step, step, step. Now we'll repeat it this way, and quick, quick, slow, and 1, 2, 3. Once more, and quick, quick, lead her, 1, 2, 3. And quick, quick, lead her, 1, 2, 3. So you see how the crossbody works. Now, gentlemen, also, if you apply a very small amount of pressure through your right hand, that will also assist the lady to cross your body. And quick, quick, lead her, 1, 2, 3. And quick, quick, lead her, 1, 2, 3. That's looking very, very good. Now let's see if we can put the whole pattern together. So let's just recap. We have our mambo basic, our cucarachas, our underarm turn, and our cross body lead. So here we go with our mambo basics. Gentleman left, lady right, ready, and basic 1 and basic 2. Basic 3 and cucarachas. Out and close, out and close, out and close, out. Now the basic. Lady will prepare, underarm turn. Lady will prepare, underarm turn. Cross body lead, 1, 2, 3. Cross body lead. Once more that step. Cross body lead, 1, 2, 3. Cross body lead, 1, 2, 3. Now for this instruction video, we have given you quite a slow tempo for you to learn your salsa. But you probably will find when you go out dancing, it may be slightly faster. Just remember to keep your steps quite small and compact.